Hey everyone, today we are going to be showing you how to install a Tusk removable half windshield for your 2024 and newer Polaris RZR XP1000. The process is going to be the same for the 2 and the 4-seaters. Now, the reason so many people love these half windshields is they're the best of both worlds. So it deflects some of the wind from going through the cab, but it still allows for enough airflow to keep you cool on those hot days. Now, with that being said, this thing is scratch resistant, so it's made with durability in mind. It's simple to install. Let's go ahead and get started. Now over at the bench, we've got everything that comes with this half windshield. So it's the windshield itself, bulb trim seal, and 2 Velcro straps. We have a soft surface to set this on. So this is just a rubber mat, but if you don't have that, make sure you have a blanket laid out. And then from here, I'm wearing rubber gloves. That's going to keep my fingerprints off the windshield. We've got a protective coating on each side. We're going to go ahead and remove that. It's just going to peel off. Next, we're going to install this bulb seal trim. So with the hook at the top of the windshield facing down, this bulb seal is going to be facing up. This is just going to help reduce vibration. We're just going to go start on one side and work all the way across the bottom and to the other side. So we're just pushing that groove onto the windshield. If you find that at any point it doesn't fit tight, you can simply pinch this together. That's going to give you a tighter fit. And one more thing you can do to make it easier is use a soft-faced mallet to help hit that on. Now, if you have any extra length left over at the end, you can trim that off with some heavy-duty scissors or some side cutters. Next, we're going to set the half windshield down into place, and this is going to sit in that groove on the hood. And again, the bend at the top, that's going to be facing out away from the cab. Then from here, we just need to take the Velcro straps. We're going to wrap that around that A-pillar on the roll cage. We're going to go through the half windshield, and then we've got the bar on the strap. We're going to feed the strap through that bar. Poke the plastic piece down into the groove, and then just pull the strap tight. And you'll do that same thing on the other side. That's all it takes to install the Tusk removable half windshield on your 2024 and newer Polaris RZR XP1000. If you need to pick one of these up, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.